Today we are going to make a flower using papers. So I have taken three different papers. You can take the paper. First we are going to prepare petals like this. Okay, we are going to prepare petals, three different kinds of petals. Okay, we are going to make three different kinds of petals, and we need a base. Okay, because we need a strong base, so I am taking a thick circular card. Okay, these are three different types of petals, and this is the final one. Okay, this is a foam sheet circular. So these are the materials. So we need color papers, glue, and scissor for this. So first I am going to show how to make this pink petal. Okay, so take a sheet of paper. We have to make at least 7 to 8. So take the color paper, fold it. Okay, try to draw outline if you want to try to draw an outline. So draw an outline. See, you can make as much as big flower this is only the procedure. You can increase the length of the paper. Okay, you can make as big as you need. Okay, you can make very big flowers, but this is the main. So this is one petal. Okay, this I have done this. So these are the petals. This is the model for this. Next, okay, I am going to show how to do this petal. Okay, I am taking this paper. You can just fold, because these are very small. You can just fold it. So you can just draw the outline structure for this and cut with the scissor. So you can use means you can increase the size. Okay, according to your size. Okay, if you want to do big flower, you have to increase the size of the paper and size of the petal. Okay, I have done this. Okay, next I am going to show how to make this petal. So take the paper again, same. Okay, length I told you now, if you want to make a big flower, increase the length. Okay, so fold like this. So this is the procedure. Okay, the cut and scissors. So we are ready with these three. Okay, these three petals. Okay, maximum you make this as 8 count. Better you make with 8 count. Okay, 8 petals, 8 petals, 8 petals. Okay, maximum done. So our petals are ready now. So now what we have to do, I am taking a thick circular, because we need a thick base. So first I am applying glue. Next I am sticking the petals. You can see here. See this is very important. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You have to put in order. 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we are done with first round. Okay, if you want, you can just move. So now next I am going to stick this. You can see here, it is very easy. You can, if check the procedure. Okay, step by step. So I have done with the second step. Okay, now I'm going to paste this. See, you have to place here 1, 2, 3. First you should have a first time you may not, the second time once again you try, but this is the procedure. Okay, you can make as big as flower you want. Okay, you can make as big as flower, but this is only the procedure. Okay, so okay, and now I am done.